The first placer at Asiana Open 2023 for both powerlifting and strongman. The beast of the East, the demigod, Joel Henyo. Joel Henyo for his yoke walk and marvelous walk attempt. Get ready.
Mahinang nila lang.
No, tulog po na ako.
40 seconds.
Go ahead. 50 muna. 50 muna.
Malayo pa tayo. Ano pa lang to?
50 seconds.
1 minute. Sagad muna.
Bulacan.
Sagad muna. Oh, teka lang. Wag muna. All you, bro. All you.
Showcasing true grit and
37 seconds.
a very important virtue to have in any strong.
Kung gusto mo yung 2 minutes. Let's
1
go.
minute 20 seconds.
Kaya mo yun, kaya.
Dalawang minuto kailangan mo.
This is where pain.
Let's go.
1 minute and 30.7 seconds.
So here, review go for Joel.
Ready.
Ready? Take your grip. Go!
Once again, the Beast of the East. Continuing on, Joel Henyo.
Joel! Joel, love you!
Once again, they are the winners of the under 80 kilogram weight class. Once again, palakpakan naman natin, guys.